Hey friends, don't you just love a brand new year? It is a time to rest after the busy holiday season. It's time to get back into our routines, and it is a perfect time to stay inside and make our homes cozy for winter. In today's video, I'm sharing 5 ways that you can make your home cozy for the winter season. I'm excited about this video and I hope you'll join us. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Angie and I like to share some organization ideas, my love for home decor. I throw a little bit of thrifting in there because I believe that anyone can have a beautiful home and not spend a lot of money in the process of getting that beautiful home. I love to share my ideas of budget-friendly home decor, but also beautiful home decor. If you like that type of content, be sure to hit the subscribe button and join our wonderful community here at Our Contented Home. So let's get started with our video today and sharing 5 tips on how you can make your home cozy for the winter months. So the first tip that I have for you to make your home cozy for the winter months is to clean your house really well. Just give it a good deep cleaning. It probably needs it after the holiday season with all the extras that we had hanging around our home, with all the garlands and the Christmas trees. So make sure that you give everything a good cleaning and clear all of the unnecessary clutter out of your home. This will make your home feel so cozy and so inviting because you don't have all the clutter, the visual clutter, and everything that goes along with the Christmas season. Don't get me wrong, I love the Christmas season, but after it's over, I'm ready to declutter and clean and just get a fresh start. So start off with a good cleaning of your home after you clear out all of the Christmas decor. If you are wondering how to store your Christmas decor, I have a video showing you how I organize and clear away mine. If you're interested in that, I'll put a link for you in the description box below so you can check out that video. Speaking of cleaning, this leads me to my second tip to make your home feel cozy for the winter season, and that is smells. So smells are very important in your home. After you clean it, it smells wonderful and great. But another way that you can get this is by baking. I love to walk in a home that has a smell of fresh baked bread or cookies or anything that is fresh out of the oven. I think that it just adds a cozy feel to that home, and it just makes it inviting and it makes it feel like home. So I love baking day, and it's always a wonderful way to make your home smell wonderful and to feel cozy. Also, you can add a little bit of vanilla to some water and put it in your microwave, and just put it on for a few seconds and it will make your home smell fabulous. I use lamps all over our home, and actually I prefer lamp light over the big overhead lights. I just love the cozy feel that it adds. It just makes everything seem a little bit better and a little bit cozier. So anytime I find a unique lamp at the thrift store, or I find it on Marketplace, or I can find it in home decor stores, I usually pick it up and add it to our home. I've got them tucked in every little corner that I can find. I love the light and the ambiance and the cozy feeling that a lamp provides in your home. Speaking of lamps, I wanted to share some of my favorite lamps that I just found recently. These are rechargeable lamps. They come with this cord here, and then you just charge them up. When they're finished charging, they'll turn green. But these are perfect in spots where you don't have an electrical outlet. And I love the pleated lampshade. But let me show you where I put this lamp so that it can give us a little bit of light. I just place it here on this table between these two chairs in our main living room. So you just tap it here. It is the perfect lamp for when you don't have an electrical outlet, just to give you that nice little glow. This one comes with a set of 2, and I'll link it in case you're interested in it. Another fun thing I found for my lamp addiction are these. So these are outlets. I found these on Amazon. I think it comes in a pack of 4, and I think you can get more, but I got the 4 because I use this with our Christmas trees, but I'm using it for lamps. So I wanted a lamp up on that cabinet just because it gets dark at night and I needed a little bit more light. So I took these and I just plugged it in the outlet behind this big cabinet. I can see it there. So it's plugged in back there. And then this comes with a remote. And you can see how each one has a number that corresponds to it, and then the number is on this remote. So this outlet for this lamp is number 3. So let me show you how this works. The lampshade is crooked. I need to get up there and fix it. But just so you can see this. So you take your remote, and that's on the 3rd outlet. So you just click on. And then that way you don't have to climb up and down a ladder to turn the lamp on or worry about it. You just hit the remote and it comes right on and it gives you that light that you want. So these are perfect for all kinds of things. Like I said, I used it for our Christmas trees, but I get so many more uses out of them. And then when you want it off, just click off. So it's just a fun little thing for your lamps, for anything up high or a outlet that is hard to reach. So I'll link them in case you're interested. And then I also added a little small lamp to our kitchen, and I just plugged it in over here. It comes on when I hit that switch. It's just connected somehow. But I bought it at a yard sale, and I just bought this cute little chandelier shade and stuck it on it. And I encourage you to put a lamp in your kitchen. It is just so nice to have in the evenings when it's starting to get dark. Just adds that nice little glow. And then I just add this little cutting board to cover up the cord. And this is not about lamps, but I have to show you since I'm right here at it. This was a Christmas gift, and it is the best thing. So it's a calendar that you can just put anywhere to remind you what day it is. But after the month is over, you can plant this card and it will grow flowers. So I'm excited to do that. But it's such a nice gift. It's from my mother-in-law, and me and her have a love for flowers. And so this was such a thoughtful and perfect gift for Christmas. But I'll link it for you in case you're interested. It would make a perfect gift for anyone or for you to just have for yourself. The next tip that I have for you is to use throw blankets. I love to sit down in a chair and have a blanket to put over my legs and cover up my feet and just cozy up on the couch during a cold evening. I love that so much, but I also love to add throws around our home. Just different areas, draped over a chair, draped over a couch, just somewhere to add that cozy texture and the feeling of warmth. I think it just adds so much to your home and makes it feel cozy and like you want to curl up on the couch with the blanket and a good book. The next tip that I have for you to create a cozy home for the winter months are throw pillows. In my opinion, I don't think that you can have too many throw pillows. I love them so much. But what I do to cut down on storage is I just buy pillow covers and change those out. They're easier to store, and you can just change out a color or a texture with the seasons to give you that cozy look and to bring in new colors into your room. It's a fun way to accessorize your home, and it's just a fun way to bring that cozy feeling into your home for the winter months. And the last tip that I have for making your home feel cozy for the winter months are plants. I love to bring in green plants in our home. After the Christmas tree is gone, you're kind of missing that green tree and the space that it takes up. So bring in a big plant or just small plants and put them around your home. And if you're not good with live plants, bring in faux. That's always good to add a little bit of green, adds a little life into your space. And you can also use dried florals. That's always a good idea, just to bring in a little bit of texture and warmth into that space. And it just brings a smile to your face when you see flowers. You can also just go to the grocery store and get their flowers and put them in a vase. Add them to your kitchen table or any little space you have that you want to liven up and give it a little bit of warmth and coziness. Well friends, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I had so much fun putting this together. I really enjoy decorating our home for the winter months, and it's just a time to spend more time indoors with the people that you love, and it's a fun way to just add different textures and cozy feelings in your home to make it feel like home. As always, thank y'all so much for watching. If you have any other tips for creating a cozy home in the winter months, please leave them in the comments below. I love to read all of your comments, all of your thoughts and your ideas. I get so many fun ideas from y'all. So thank y'all so much for watching. As always, if you like this type of content, please give us a thumbs up. It helps out our channel so much. And you can also find us on Facebook, Instagram, and our blog, Our Contented Home. Before I go for the day, I would also like to ask y'all, I am in the process of organizing and decluttering our home. I did not know if you would like to see that process. Sometimes it gets a little bit ugly and messy, so I didn't know if you were interested in that, but if you are, I would be glad to share the process of how I go about doing that, and it also motivates me to share it with y'all. If you're interested in that type of content, please leave me a comment below. And also, if you would like to see any kind of Valentine's Day decor, I'd love to know that also in the comments. Thanks again, and I look forward to seeing y'all in the next video. Bye-bye.